Hey guys, Kai here from Tic-Tac-Toe, a channel that does tech reviews, tech hacks, tutorials, and pretty much all around digital skill stuff. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share with all of you a hack you can do on your iPhones to get it to run a tad faster when you are surfing the web. Without further ado, let's do this. Okay, this activity that we are doing here is to clear out the cache on the Safari browser, which, if you do not know, is the default browser on an iPhone. And if you are an iPhone user and you do not know this, that the Safari is actually the default web browser on your iPhone, maybe you should consider throwing your iPhone away and not using it anymore. So go ahead, pause this video and throw it out. Yeah, go on, throw it up. All right, a few warnings before you do this activity. If you do this, all of your saved history passwords on the current website that you have already logged in to will be removed. All the logins that your Safari has already remembered will be deleted. So if you want to log in to your favorite website of yours, it is no longer auto logged in. You need to input the username and the password once again manually. And which is why you should get a password management app such as Lastpass. Lastpass is an app to manage all of your passwords, so you can never ever forget your Instagram password, your Facebook password, your email password, you name it, etc, etc. So before you forget any more of your passwords that you're going to generate, go on ahead and sign up for a free 30-day free trial. And I promise you, right, you will not regret this. I am a Lastpass user myself, and I haven't, until this day, remember any passwords nor forgetting them. Does that make sense? It will only make sense if you were to use a password management tool such as Lastpass. Where to find the link? It's down at the description box below. Check it out, and again, do yourself a favor, stop stressing over remembering and forgetting passwords ever again. Okay, back to clearing the cache. Alright, so all you need to do is go to Settings, look for Safari, go all the way down, press Advanced, Website Data. Give it a few seconds for the system to generate all the websites that you have visited. Once it has been generated, you can see this button which says Remove All Website Data. Go ahead and press it. And once more, Remove Now. Alright, that's it. So now if you do go back to Safari and surf the web, it does feel faster and much more fluid. So the recommendation is to go on ahead and do this activity every month, at least once a month. So why don't you also do yourself a favor, go to your calendar on your phone, on your iPhone, set a reminder for you to remove the website data every once a month. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!